Laughter fades, I trace the marks that time has made. We filled the air with words so deep, but now those moments lie asleep. Our voices low as whispers fell, with secret tones our stories tell. But warm from days we left behind now drifts away like thoughts in mind. Where memories linger, yet never last. The roads recall our quiet ways, now empty paths and softened haze. I feel your laugh as fleeting air, a sound that fades yet lingers there. With every step, the past remains, bound to the heart like gentle chains. Sleepless hours, I feel you near, a memory sharp yet faintly clear. The warmth we held slips through the seams of all we were in fading scenes. If I could find that path once crossed, where all our promises were tossed, I'd hold you close just one more time, to touch the moments left behind. Through all the words we tried to say, the warmth we shared now fades away. Fading memories drift afar, once bright like flames now faint as stars. Our time slips through like grains of sand, a love once held by fragile hand. And every step that takes me back, the moments blur, the pieces lack. We left behind what couldn't stay, yet part of me still lives that way. The traces fall like leaves released, in quiet spaces I find peace. I stand alone where memories lay, in tones that drift in soft decay. A story left to drift apart, a quiet end within my heart. The paths we crossed now turn to gray, in open rooms we walk.